Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. I wanted to record this short video to share 3 ways you could make money in my free community. I'm back to talking about my free community, but in a different way, like more aggressively, because I feel like we're not taking this opportunity. So 3 ways to make money in my free community. If you're seeing for the first time, I'm Sherifa Nakalema. I'm blessed. I work from home or anywhere I choose, because I worked hard to get here. I used to clean homes in Virginia, USA. But that's all a little bit in the history. Hopefully it doesn't come back, because we are now finding new ways to do this, right? Soon I'll be celebrating 58 years and 6 years on YouTube. When you're watching this, soon, it's happening soon. And I want you to be in my success stories, people who did something. So I said, let me record a video and invite you. 3 ways. Number 1, please like this video, share it with anyone who is international. Anyone can benefit from this. So the first way you make money is by starting a Skool community. You start a Skool community, it's going to be about a passion, about a skill, about a challenge you're having. I share all those details in my free community. I'm about to invite you. I share all those details. We go on Zoom and I share how it's done, or I send you to a longer video that I recorded earlier. So you start a community and you charge subscriptions. People pay to be in your community. If you're sharing something, you're teaching something, they pay you. Number 2 is you promote Skool, the platform. So invite people to come to Skool, the platform, and Skool pays you 40% commissions. Number 3 is you promote people like us. You could come and just be in my community to promote it. For me, I teach affiliate marketing, I teach TikTok, I teach YouTube. So you could come just to promote us. But for you to do that, you have to be in my community. So if you are inside my community, it's a free community for now, you could promote, and the system actually pays you, not me. Okay. Like, for example, if someone comes and they want 1 hour with me to teach them TikTok or YouTube, and I charge them $50, I'm giving right now 40% commissions. So the system, once you invite someone and they pay me, the system will split the money. They'll give me $30, they'll give you $20, and they send it to your bank account. So that's what's going on. Skool just introduced that. It's called the affiliate feature. It's cool. Yeah, but if you are watching me and you're in Uganda, you have to send me a message. I'll show you how we do that, because Uganda is not on the list. But you can still do it. You have to trust each other to do that. But the system itself, for many of the other countries, it pays you. But you have to be in my community. That's why I recorded this video, to invite you to come and get to my community while it's still free. I don't charge any money right now. Come, be inside. All you have to do is, I'll teach you how to do this. We can also go through, because right now I'm offering a free TikTok. Right now I'm still offering it, a free TikTok, like basics for free. So you can go through that, and then you use your TikTok to connect with other people that you bring to us, and then you earn money like that. So those are the 3 ways you make money, or in my Skool community and on Skool. But of course, there are other ways that I share. If you be close to me, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, all the other stuff. But for now, let's think of those 3. As a recap, 3 ways: you start a Skool community, or you promote Skool, the platform, or you promote people like us, like what we do. Like an easy example is bring people who want to learn TikTok or learn YouTube. Yeah, that's it. Please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. This channel is about the freedom to do whatever we choose, but also make money doing that, and make passive income that keeps coming every month. Yeah, like I always end these, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health, because without health, have nothing. Please check the pinned comment. You'll find the link that takes you to my free community. Also, check the description of this video. There's a link over there. Like it, share it, please. This is life-changing. Okay? Do it. Subscribe to the channel. Take a step to better you. Bye-bye.